Hello everyone, this is Mili. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm painting a window with plants and mainly focus on the warm and cool colors. I'm inspired by the photo in the left. It has a very good balance in warm and cool contrast. Okay, let's start. I use a light pencil sketch, and after that, I use a pen to draw more details. I try to relax my hand and to draw some very imperfectly straight lines to make it more loose, freely, and natural. And after it finished, let's move on to watercolor. I start the warm part of the windows, and for most parts, the rest area of the window is in cool colors. And I use some yellow-green and light red to paint the plants. And after that, I use some dark green to create the warm and cool contrast of the plants. It seems that when the warm and cool colors sit next to each other, it makes the plants more alive for me. And now I'm using light blue to create the cool shadows of the white frame of the window. When I paint the larger parts of the shadows, I don't want it to be gray, so I add both warm and cool color to make an interesting contrast for the shadows. I'm quite satisfied with the biggest shadow of this window. And after that, I add more details to make the windows more three-dimensional for me. I slowly adjust the contrast between warm and cool colors to make the warm part more lighter. And after that, with few final touches, the window and flower is finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.